Hi, my name is Miguel. Study bachelor degree as a foreign language, and today for tax 5 video tutorial. So I'm going to start the video explain some of the consonant sounds. The first that I'm going to explain is the consonant M. That sound is a particular because you hear the sound M. You need to close your mouth and close your lips at the same time. So in this case, you're going to put your mouth and that said M. And you can find that sound M like man, team, make, money. So the place of the articulation is bilabial, so you can find in this picture the lips. Okay, manner of the articulation that is plosive, and that is a voice sound. Also, you'll find examples like I need you, I mean that you are cute, I don't remember that. So the next is going to be, let me see, okay, the sound sh. That sound is to close your mouth, close your teeth at the same time. And that sound you can find in the words like fashion, shape, push, shop. The place of the articulation is alveolar. So that the manner of the articulation is fricative. That is a voiceless sound. So you find the lips and tips, and also some examples that you can use the sound sh. It is Mary is feeling happy. I go to the shop. I need to push the door. Peter has issue with his computer. Okay, words like a issue, push, shop. Okay, so the next and finally the sound the. Okay, that sound you can close your teeth, but in the middle put your tongue, that is father, this, that, thing. Okay, so the place of the articulation that is dental, manner of the articulation is fricative, and that is a voice sound. Okay, the dental or the articulation, so lips and teeth at the same time. The examples for that sound that is Paul has a big brother. I want to visit my father. Okay? And Patricia lives in North Carolina. So we have three different sounds, and I hope that you are enjoying with this video. Bye bye.